Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mona, aka Nail Aesthetics, and in this video today, I'm gonna be doing my own nails. I did my nails already, and to be honest, I just wasn't feeling it. So this is pretty much the next day after I did my nails. So I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial on this beautiful design that I picked today. I'm starting off with my extra coarse bit to remove the gel polish. So I ended up doing my other hand off camera just because it's just always difficult to do your non-dominant hand, and I just felt as though I would just move a lot faster if I did that hand first and then went in with the easier hand. So I'm just going to be applying my base and getting ready to do the design. I actually did like how it turned out. On my other hand, I do kind of wish I had longer nails for this design, but I still think that is cute. I'm going to be using 2 coats of a nude base for this design. In the picture, it is a little bit more sheer, but I didn't really want it that sheer because the tips are really clear and I didn't want to have to add like too many coats. So I'm just going in with 2 coats of a nude gel polish that I got from Valentino. I believe it's number 18. But again, I'll have it listed below in the description. So now that we got our base of the design on, I'm gonna start off with the blooming designs. I'm gonna be using the Beetles blooming gel to do the pinky and the middle finger. And for this design, all you really need is your dotting tool and color of your choice. I'm going with a brown. It's Spice Brown by DC. And I'm just doing dots and just allowing the polish to bloom. You don't have to do anything. The polish just literally works for itself and creates the design for you. So it's like an animal print looking type of design. And then for the middle finger, we're going to go in and do the flower. So you would just dot it as if you're going to draw out a flower with the bigger side, and then you're going to use the smaller end of your dotting tool, or you could use a liner brush for this, but I decided to use the smaller end and drag the ends of the petals to the middle to give the flower effect. We're gonna cure that for 60 seconds, and this is how the design is looking so far. It's looking pretty good. So we're gonna go in with our little pearls. I'm gonna be using my Macart rhinestone glue to add the pearls to the middle of the flower. And also it seemed like there was some on the pinky just kind of scattered. So we're gonna do that as well. I'm going in with the gold pearls. So next I'm going to be using my rubbing alcohol and a buffer to dull out the index and ring finger to do an isolated chrome design. If you don't do this step, you will get chrome everywhere but your design. So here's a little hack. I'm going to go in with my Macart rhinestone glue to create this 3D looking circle design that's very popular. And also for the index finger, it's like some 3D lines that we're gonna do on that one, and cure it for 60 seconds. So I like to go in with black before I go in with my chrome. So I'm just going to be tracing the design with black gel polish and then curing for 60 seconds. So I'm going to be using this beautiful gold chrome to go over my 3D designs. And you'll see that because of the fact that I buffed the nails prior to adding the chrome, that the chrome will only stick to the design and not get all over, the nail. So for the final step, we're going to go in with top coat and top coat all 5 fingers. I'm using the DC top coat. The base coat that I also used in this video was DC, and I'll put it down in the description box for you guys below. So we're going to top coat the design and cure for 60 seconds. For the thumb, I'm just gonna go in with that same animal print design that we did on the pinky and just kind of do it on the edges. On my other thumb, I did it on the upper right. So here, I'm gonna be doing it on my lower right. And here is the final look. They turned out really cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.